Now, speaking of early intervention, warning signs, I think that's a good segue into our medical term of the week, which for this week is it's the name of a sound.
Yes.
Called stridor. But did you know that the term stridor was first formally documented in medical literature in 1954, where and that was, get this, the very same year that J.R.R. Tolkien published The Fellowship of the Ring, the first in the Lord of the Rings
So you're
series.
trying to say there's a correlation between the character Stridor and...
Well, medical school instructors at the time, many of whom were Tolkien fans, began informally referring to the ominous airway sound as Stridor's call.
Ooh.
And the shortened form of Stridor stuck. So yes, every time you hear it, you can thank Aragorn, the King of Gondor, for being the inspiration for the dangerous lurking figure known as Stridor.
Nice.
The one true king of Gondor.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
So the sound signals that things are about to get way worse, like when he fends off the Nazgul on Weathertop.
So if you can't tell,
This is total bullshit.